We're with John Kelly. John is a personal injury lawyer in Phoenix, Arizona. He's agreed to answer some online questions specifically related to premises liability. With that said, this question was from Megan. Megan says, I own a salon in downtown Phoenix. A few weeks ago, some guys came and robbed all my employees during business hours. They took their phones, purses, and the money in the register. I've been complaining for months about the security service of the owner of the shopping center, and now this has happened. Don't they have an obligation to protect the businesses who rent space from them?
Well, I think Megan does have the possibility of a claim against the owner of the shopping center that she was complaining to. If she had multiple complaints, I would imagine there may be other people that had complained against the shopping center. Clearly, they had some security issues going on where they were concerned about that specific issue. So it's just like all other claims that we're making. It's going to be a negligence-based claim. If they fell below the a reasonable person standard in providing a working condition that is secure, I think that a claim can be made. However, this is a somewhat unique claim that needs to have a little bit of research done. And typically in a case like this, I'm hiring an investigator to go to the work facility and talk to other people that are involved, maybe some of the managers, other employees that had the same concerns, figure out when it was all reported, if any kind of security was provided, what are the standards in that industry and area of town, if that's something that's typically done to make sure the employees are safe. Then you can make that claim. And the question then becomes, what are the damages? And if obviously there was property stolen, but I would imagine there's also some issues with some stress that was involved, some post-traumatic stress related to that incident. So there's a lot of different issues that can be brought up with a case like this. And unique cases like this are interesting to me, and I like pursuing them when they're appropriate. But it's not easy to pursue a claim like this unless you have a lawyer involved. Unfortunately, that's going to probably be a requirement for Megan. So I would advise her to just get an attorney looking at it, getting an investigator working on it to see if they can pursue a claim. Usually we're going to be going after insurance, which most businesses will have a pretty big insurance policy that will likely go a long way to helping out if the claim is successful.
Excellent. Well, if you have any other questions for John, just post them in the comments section below. He's agreed to answer your questions directly. Thanks, John.
Thanks, Ryan. If anyone has any follow-up questions, they can always reach me at the Kelly Law Team. The number is 602-283-4122.
Thank you.